Location is everything, but here, location is just the beginning. Presenting to you Ace of Panvel. With 16.5 acres of total land parcel, this project is the tallest tower in Panvel. Let's move ahead and I'll show you all the details about this brilliant project. So right now I am at the actual clubhouse and look at how beautiful this is. Talking more about the amenities, we have 2 acres open space where there's gonna be garden. We have 2 clubhouses जहाँ पर 3 level of amenities would be there, such as swimming pool, banquet hall, cafeteria, indoor games, daycare center, library and much more. These amenities are definitely gonna change your lifestyle. So let's move ahead and I'll talk more about this project. Now let me tell you the location and connectivity. Now this project is located at Falasve Phata in Panvel, connecting major 4 highways. Mumbai-Goa highway is just adjacent to the project. If I talk about Navi Mumbai International Airport, Atal Setu, Panvel Station, Panvel Bus Depot, all are just 10 minutes away from the project. Schools, colleges such as DPS, MNR are just 1 kilometer away. And if I talk about D-Mart, Reliance Fresh, all are just walking distance away. All other connectivities are also in just 5 to 10 minutes radius away. So this is all about the connectivity. Now let me tell you about this brilliant project. So 8 towers हैं यहाँ पे and 5 towers are already sold out and 2 towers का तो OC already आ चुका है. We are right now focusing on the 6th tower which is known to be Ace of Panvel. Now configuration की बात करें तो they have 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments and G plus 43 story towers with 6 levels of covered car parking. Now moving ahead, this is the time to show you the sample flat. This is the sample flat of 2 bedroom apartment and as you can see this gorgeous living space आप अपने हिसाब से डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. And here comes the dining area. Like कितना beautifully L shape में इन्होंने डिजाइन किया है to spend the quality time with your family. Moving ahead, this is gonna be your kitchen. Look at how spacious this kitchen is. Double platform का kitchen है. Here you will have the dry space like the balcony over here. And आप देख सकते हैं कितना beautifully डिजाइन किया है. Oven, microwave, refrigerator is brilliant. Exactly उसके सामने common washroom. Now this is the common washroom, western style का है. Fittings all branded from premium brand which is Jaguar. Now moving ahead, the ceiling height of this apartment is 10 feet. Now this is the first bedroom. So ये आपका common bedroom आ जाता है या kids room or you can design it. आप देख सकते हैं spacious is brilliant. Like यहाँ पर आपका side tables 2 है, आपका wardrobe space sufficient है, bed space sufficient है. आप अपने घर को अपने piece को beautifully design कर सकते हो accordingly. And I have entered the master bedroom. Again master bedroom is so spacious. Now आप देख सकते हैं wooden flooring दी गई हुई है. आपका queen size king size bed setup होगा. यहाँ पर आपका TV unit setup है and you have dressing table and wardrobe space as well and even sufficient space. तो वो मिलना भी काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाता है. This is the attached washroom. Western style का washroom है. Shower area का separation भी दिया गया है. That is again brilliant work they have done. Talking about the pricing and configuration, 1 bedroom apartment का configuration start हो रहा है 400 से 450 square feet तक, जिसका pricing start हो रहा है 54 lakhs plus taxes से. 2 bedroom apartment का configuration 600 से 750 square feet तक जा रहा है, जिसका price start हो रहा है 79 lakhs plus taxes से. 3 bedroom apartment का configuration 900 से 1000 square feet तक जा रहा है, जिसका start हो रहा है pricing at 1.11 CR plus taxes से. So if you need any more information about this project, yeah, you want to book a site visit, you can contact us on the number mentioned.